Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nora Onyebuchi. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome to join me as I unbox my Momcozy M5 double wearable breast pump. This right here is the temperature sensing milk storage bags. Yeah, I got this one separate. They sell it separately, so I got it separate. It has a temperature indicator bag. It has double seal design. It's pre-sterilized and also hygienic, then also saves space. So if you want to lie it flat or stand it upright in your fridge or freezer, it can work both ways. I got this for 168 euros during their Black Friday sales. It was initially gone for 209 euros, but I was able to get the deal during Black Friday sales. So the time I was doing this unboxing, I hadn't really given birth, so as I finished unboxing it, I had to wrap it back because I didn't do a full unboxing in this video. So just saying it ahead of time. I know you can hear my baby crying in the background. Right now I have her. So so far, um ever since I started using this, I would say is a big improvement because this is my second baby. And when I had my first baby, I was suggested to buy this breast pump that you have to hold and sit at a place while pumping the breast milk, which made breastfeeding very, very difficult for me. So this second time around, I decided to go for this, and honestly, it's been a game changer. Although we don't often use it because my baby prefers to latch on me, and which I enjoy. So I only use it when I need help, like when I want to have a very good sleep. I use it to pump out breast milk for my partner or whoever that is around to help me feed. Or even when we want to go out in the public, I can also pump. Anyway, the environment I'm in, you know, is breastfeeding friendly, so I can decide to breastfeed anywhere I want to. But just to make every other person around me comfortable, I just decide not to. So I get to use my Momcozy pump out breast milk and feed my baby in the public. And also, I think I shouldn't have gone for the double pump because these days I only use one. Yeah, it was an oversight, but nonetheless, I still like it. So what I just brought out now was the flanges, the silicone flanges. It comes in different sizes, and this is the manual and also the installation guideline. Then this one is the nipple measuring tool, whereby you can open it up and place it on your nipple and get the actual size for yourself. Inside this installation guideline also has where you can see tips on how to clean and sterilize, and also how to pour out your milk into the bag or into any container you want to. These are some silicone stuffs, to preserve it. So it comes with two chargers because I have two pumps, USB charger. And this is the pump motors. It's lightweight here. I can easily wear this and do anything around the house. It's very lightweight. I think it weighs about 230 grams and it's easy to wear as well. That over there is the milk collectors. Each can hold over 120 mils of the breast milk, during the pumping session. These are the buttons where you can also change mode. The on and off button is there, the mode button is there, then the minus or plus button. This I just removed now is called flange covers, and that opening inside is where you get to put your nipple and the breast milk pumps out. I just turned this one on from the on and on button. Switching it off back, just checking it out. This has a very portable design, like very portable design, which eliminates all those tubes and external cords you have to carry around. This one is just good. It makes it even good and very mobile for you. I hated breastfeeding during my first child era. Oh my god! But with this, I'm enjoying it. You can hear the sound it's making. That's the highest. It doesn't go higher than this. So I think it's okay. It's not as loud as the other one. This is almost discreet. It has three modes and 9 levels. It has stimulation, expression, and mixed mode. And then with each nine adjustable suction levels. The battery life, I'll say is okay. It fully charges at in about 2 hours, which can make you at least can pump up to 3 to 4 sections. Yeah, that's about 100 to 150 minutes of usage. So it's not bad at all. So you can charge it for the day and take it to work, and it will last you. Or if you're going out or anything, if you don't have light or something, it will last you, and you can maximize the use before you come home again and recharge it. You can even charge it once and leave it for 2 days. So this is the silicone flanges. It has different sizes. Then this is an extra valve. This valve helps to control the milk flow. There is also there's also a silicone diaphragm inside. That one helps to maintain optimal suction and also to prevent milk from entering the pump motor. My experience with this so far has been very good. It's been very good, no regrets whatsoever. I'm enjoying it. It's just that when you're using it, you don't have to bend forward. You have to sit upright, because if you get to bend forward, you might lose some breast milk, like it will pour out from the top. Trying to show you the different sizes on the silicone valve. This one has 90 millimeter written on it. The other one is 17, and I also have 21. Just three. I also forgot to mention, I don't know if you can remember from the temperature sensing milk storage bag I showed earlier. At the edge of it, at downside, I think towards the right, there's a place you get to tear off after freezing or pumping and keeping it, and you want to use it. You get to just tear it off and pour it into a bottle that you want to feed your baby with. That bag is also very nice. This bag is also very portable. See the design, the color. Ah, so nice, man. At least it helps to protect all the components and even organized and to protect them as well. If I'm to, if you ask me if I'm to recommend this for somebody, I would say yes, definitely.